رب يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 1. In this lesson, we will be learning how would you say in Arabic, my book, my pen, my house, my masjid. It is not so difficult. It's very easy. Book is kitabun. Just add ya at the end of the word. It will become kitabi, meaning my book. Kitabun, a book. Kitabi, my book. And one more thing to remember, whenever there ya comes, which indicates for my, there will be kasra before it. So kitabi. Kitabun, a book. Kitabi, my book. So now we will translate my pen, my house, my masjid. And you know the formula. Just add ya at the end of the word. So pen is qalamun. My pen will be qalami. House is baytun. My house will be bayti. Masjid is masjidun. My masjid will be masjidi. So let's review. Book is kitabun, and my book is kitabi. Pen is qalamun, and my pen is qalami. House is baytun, and my house is bayti. Masjid is masjidun, my masjid is masjidi. So now let's see in the Quran the use of ya. Ya ibadi, O my slaves. Ayati, my signs. Adhabi, my punishment. So if you look, ya ibadi, ya is O, ibad is slaves, the ya is for my. So ya ibadi, O my slaves. Ayati, my signs. Ayat, in signs, ya is for my. So ayati, my signs. Adhab is punishment. So the ya is for my. So now let's see those places where ya is not written, but the meaning is there. For example, Rabbi, my Lord. Ya qawmi, O my people. Ya abati, O my father. So here if you look, Rabbi, my Lord, there's ya missing, meaning there's ya is not written. So this zir or this kasra indicates there is ya. Rabbi mean this is Rabbi, my Lord. Ya qawmi, O my people. Zir or kasra shows us there's ya. So ya qawmi, O my people. Ya abati, O my father. Again, there is ya after the ta. Ya abati. So this zir shows us there is ya. So meaning my. Ya abati, my father. This is a beautiful dua that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us. Now we should learn this dua and recite it or ask this dua from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala every day, especially before this course. When you ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grants. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَقُلْ رَبِّي زِدْنِي عِلْمًا. وَقُلْ, and say, Rabbi, my Lord, zidni ilma, increase me in knowledge. So Rabbi zidni ilma, my Lord, increase me in knowledge. The dua is Rabbi zidni ilma. Now remember, memorize this dua, Rabbi zidni ilma. And the whole ayah is وَقُلْ رَبِّي زِدْنِي عِلْمًا, and say, my Lord, increase me in knowledge. Meaning, increase my knowledge. Here again, Rabbi is my Lord. And let's see some places where the ya is in the Quran, is ayah. I will not read the whole ayah or translate the whole ayah, just the where it shows my Hudaya. Huda is guidance, ya is my Hudaya, my guidance. Ni'mati, ni'ma is favor, ni'mati, my favor. Ahad is covenant, ya is for my, so ahadi, my covenant. Ayati, my signs. Ni'mati, ya qawmi. If you look here, ya qawmi, the ya is missing. Ya qawmi, ni'mati again. Zuriyati, zuriya is offsprings or children. Zuriyati, and the ya is for my. Zuriyati, my offsprings. Ahadi, again. Ahad is the covenant, ya is mine. Ahadi, my covenant. Bayti, Bayt is house, ya is for my. Bayti, my house. Rabbi, if you look, Rabbi, and the ya is not written. Rabbi, my Lord. Ya bunayya, ya bunay, oh my sons. Ya bunayya, oh my sons. The ya is for my. And there are more places. Ansari, Ansar, helpers. Ya is for my. Ansari, my helpers. Isri, again, Isr is covenant. Ya is for my. Isri, my covenant. Sabili, my path, my way. Sabil is path or way. Ya is for my. Sabili, my way. Ni'mati, birusuli. Rusul is messengers. My is ya is my, so rusuli, my messengers. Ya qawmi, ya qawmi. Rabbi, again. Wa akhi, and my brother. Sometimes we call brother akhi. We think this is means brother, oh brother. Akhi means my brother. Akh is brother. Akhi means my brother. So yadi, another place, yadi, my hand. Yad is hand. Ya is stands for my. Yadi, my hand. Ithmi, ithm is sin. The ya is for my. Ithmi, my sin. Bi ithmi, with my sin. So there are many places in the Quran. Whenever while you're reading Quran, now you have to read Quran with understanding, and whatever you learn, you have to practically study the Quran with that meaning. So now whenever you see ya in the Quran, mostly it is for my. So you will slowly understand, inshallah, the meaning of the Quran, inshallah. So your focus should be the Quran. So remember the formula. When you add the ya at the end of any noun or any name, it will give you the meaning of my. So whenever you see ya at the end of any noun, it gives you the meaning of my, mostly. And there's some for other thing, but mostly the ya is for my. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.